Morning students, hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home and doing the revision work also, because your examination months class test 2 is too near, my dear, and you all have got the date sheet also. So go wherever you are finding any problem, go through these videos and you will get the solution of all the questions in these videos. And we have completed the portion. Now it is your revision sheet and I am going to revise some questions. Okay, now see, here is who am I, means there are some clues and you have to identify what is those clues, what are those clues. With clues I have given the picture also, and it is very easy for you to identify what it is. Okay, now see the first clue. I am black and white striped animal. Okay, I am black and white striped animal. And which animal is this? This is zebra. Two striped animal you have studied. One is the tiger, it is having golden, white and black striped, and this is zebra. Zebra is having white and black stripe. And which type of animal is this? This is wild animal, that also you all have studied in science. This lives in forest. Now next I am showing you. You use me to go up and down in the building. And what we use to move up and down in the building? Stairs. Stairs are the sum of the word which is always in plural. Stairs is in one of those words which is always used in plural. Okay, and we use stairs. Earlier the stairs were made out of bamboo and it was called ladder also. But nowadays many fancy stairs are also available to means use, or inside the house to where there is a loft or that type of box made in the house, there steel stairs is also available in the market. This is one of the stairs. Now I am going to the next slide. See here, I look taller when I am young, but as I get old I become shorter and shorter. What happens? Usually child which is very young, they are shorter. As they grow they become tall. But here is the opposite condition. Here is the clue that which thing becomes shorter as they grow old. And now I am showing you the picture of the thing. And see here. This is the new candle. It is taller, and as it burns, it goes on melting. And see, as after some times it has become shorter. So as it grows old, it becomes shorter, and the answer is candle, isn't it? Now we will go to the next question. Let us see the next question. Next clue, we can't say it, actually question, clue. I travel all over the world, but I cannot move and just stay in the same spot. And what is it? What travels all over the world but cannot move? I am showing you the picture and then I will discuss with you. This is the postage stamp. My dear, right now we are able to communicate with the mobile, but I think 20 years ago in one mohalla or in one we can say lane there was only one telephone, that also basic. Now how many members are there in the home, that much mobile we are having, and as soon as we want to know anything about others, we are calling them. But earlier it was not possible. And when I was a student, I am telling you my experience, we were communicating with our friends also in the summer vacation with the help of letters. We used to write letter, paste stamp on it and send to our friends, and then we were getting in return also one letter, and those letters were very precious for us, my dear, and we were keeping it very nicely. Right now also I am having many letters of my friends, family members, and that is a precious gift for me. And in letter you will see this postage stamp itself can't move, but when it is pasted on the letter, it moves the whole world. Means the place of which the address is written, that much places it moves on. Now we will go to the next clue. I visit you every night if you don't call me, even if you don't call me. And what is this? What visit us? And that is stars. Stars word is also always used in plural, because you can't see one star in the sky, my dear, you will see number of stars. So this word star is always used in plural, and we people can't see the stars at daytime because the sun is so bright that in the sunshine, in the light of the sunshine, it is not seen. But as the sun sets, it becomes darker and it is seen in the sky. Now we will go to the next clue. Here is, I can carry lots of food but cannot eat anything. And what is this? Refrigerator. In each and every home you will see a refrigerator filled with food, but the refrigerator itself can't eat anything. We keep things fooding in that way to keep it safe, okay, because the temperature is so much reduced that it stops the things from decaying. So in the fridge the food is safe, but fridge itself can't eat anything. Now we will go to the next clue. I have teeth but I can't chew, and here the picture of comb is given. This part of the comb is called teeth. So it is having teeth but it can't chew, because we use the comb to manage our hair, to style our hair, to comb our hair. I am green but not a leaf. Copy is other but not a monkey. And what it is? You can see the picture, parrot. Color is green. And my dear, you will see the most imitating animal which copies other. If you will scratch here, it will scratch. If you will do key, it will do key, is monkey. But if you have watched parrot can copy the sound of human being, and that's why whatever you speak they copy, they imitate, okay. And that's why people usually, it is good looking also, and people keep it as a pet in their home and talks with the parrot. Now next, I am used to carry sick people. And what is this? Ambulance. Why ambulance is used to carry sick people, my dear? Why not other vehicles? You know, because in ambulance there are all the life support things. So If the patient is serious also, there is everything in the ambulance, and it is used nowadays in the second wave of corona. I think all of you have seen in the TV news that there is the shortage of oxygen cylinder, shortage of ambulance in our country. But actually the case was more, my dear. It is not shortage. Our country is overpopulated and cases were too much. I use energy of wind to make electricity. And what is it? These are the picture of windmill. Wait, I'm changing the color. My dear, electricity is prepared by water also, by the power of waterfall, that is called hydroelectricity. Thermal power, in the thermal power, that is called thermal power electricity. By the help of windmill, by the help of solar panels. So we have started making the power. Earlier we were using only petrol, diesel, gas, and those things which was taken out from under the ground. But nowadays we are in search of that type of energy which can't end, endless, because wind will blow, sun will shine. So these are the energy which won't get less in stock. Now thank you children for watching this video, and you will do your homework in very neat and clean handwriting, and darker beta, because if it is light it is very difficult for us. We are sometimes not able, we write not clear also, but that is not good. You should do your homework properly, write in dark handwriting, scan it, then it will be more clear, and then send to us. Okay, thank you.